What's up, affiliates? It's the Nomad Brad. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Money Robots keyword tool. This is a free keyword tool that's going to help you generate thousands of long tail keywords, which are great for being low competition and helping you get traffic to your SEO affiliate sites. I think you're going to love it. This tool is called the Money Robot Keyword Tool, and it helps you get long tail keywords, and it's totally free. So just like Keyword Cheater, it uses an autocomplete method, and Money Robot is a full software suite for doing SEO stuff. If you're interested in that, you can check out a link in the description below, but you don't need to buy it to get access to this tool. It's just out there for free. So you go to keywords.moneyrobot.com/advanced. There will be a link below to that. To use the Money Robot keyword tool is pretty simple. You just put in your seed keyword here and click search. So let's say we want to do Bitcoin. Just go ahead and put in the keyword and hit search, and it's going to do the autocomplete thing just like Keyword Cheater, and it's going to go find tons and tons of keywords totally for free. This is an amazing tool. It's really fast, and it will generate this list. It's already done. It's got like hundreds of keywords here. They're long tail, they're really good, should be easy-ish to rank for. So this is a great tool to have in your tool belt. So you're definitely gonna wanna bookmark it. Hey, thank you so much for watching that video. This video is part of my Best Affiliate Marketing Tools in 2022 series. If you want to see the rest of the tools in that series, check out the playlist linked at the end of this video. Check below the video for links in the description. Of course, if you like this content and want more of it, please feel free to like and subscribe. That really helps me out and I appreciate it. And finally, you can check out more on my blog at thenomadbrad.com/affiliate tools. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.